Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our second lecture from the lesson The French Revolution. Now, dear students, in this chapter, The French Revolution, today we will understand how the thinking started in the mind of third estate against the privileges which was given to the first and second estate. In last lecture, we understood that first estate and second estate were getting too much privileges from their birth, and the third estate have to pay the taxes only. Means there was a freedom of paying taxes in the first and second estate, and third estate have to pay the taxes. So, because of this situation, anger comes in the mind of the third estate, and that is why this is the main reason of occurrence of this French Revolution in a country France and continent Europe. Now, today important topic we are going to understand, that is growing middle class demanding to end the privileges. This is an important topic of today's lecture, that is growing middle class demanding to end the privileges. Already we understood the meaning of privileges, means the advantage or freedom which was given to the first estate and second estate not to pay the taxes to the rich 16. So how the feeling or thinking started coming in the third estate that we should become alert and we should also not pay the taxes to the rich 16. Because you know that equality should be there in the society. If there will be no equality, then other can think, why only we have to pay the taxes and not others. So first we will discuss the important point, then one by one we will discuss what happened. First point, that is peasants and workers. Peasants and workers didn't have resources to change economic and social order in France. This is the first point. Second, it fails. You can say that the responsibility fails now on middle prosperous. Now the responsibility fails now on middle prosperous and educated people of third state. Third one you will understand. Prosperous prosperous, middle class emerged in France society. Next point we will understand new idea, splendor, new idea, splendor in French society, principally in France country. Next point, society should be based on freedom, equality in law, and opportunities. Next point, powers should be divided within the government. So these are the 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So today we will understand this 6 points one by one. We are going to understand the topic growing middle class demanding to end the privileges. Means now third state के जो middle class लोग हैं, now they started thinking what social लगेंगे कि why only third state people, that is lawyers, court officials, servants, labor and others have to pay only the taxes, and why not first state and second state? So this happens only because of the education and living reading newspaper, or we can say having in a good contact of a few philosophers. When you will read this lesson, you will understand the teaching of various philosophers may improve the thinking of the people of France. Earlier people were not thinking that why they don't pay the taxes. This earlier only provinces were paying taxes, and there was a freedom to the first and second state. But slowly people started to understand that there is the inequality, there is the bad development by the 16, that particular group is only paying the taxes and not others. So this started, the atmosphere started becoming tense against Louis 16. So first point we will understand, peasants and workers did not have resources to change economic and social order in France. Main peasants and workers, these are the low economical group. They don't have proper education. That's why, because of the less education and because of the availability of economical good condition, this group was unable to understand how to oppose to the Louis 16. So, because of this situation, then the responsibility fell down on middle, prosperous and educated people of third state. Means we saw that peasants and workers were the part of third state, but we also saw that in third state lawyers were also there, court officials were also there, and in third state big businessmen and merchants were also there. So from the prosperous group of third state like lawyers, court officials, merchants and big businessmen, they started to become united against Louis 16. They started to bring people in a unity raise the voice against Rule 16. The responsibility is on middle workers and educated people of third estate, means from the third estate, lawyers, court officials, big businessmen and merchants started to discuss with the people that why only third estate have to pay the tax the Louis 16 and not first and second estate. So slowly the atmosphere started becoming tense against Louis 16 and people started becoming alert. Third point we are going to understand prosperous middle class women in farm society. Now slowly this prosperous group of third like big businessmen, merchants, court officials and lawyers, they started to write something in a newspaper. They started to call the workers in a group and they started discussing how the Louis 16 is doing injustice on the third estate. Why we should only pay the taxes. So they started becoming united. Next point, new idea, stand up in strength society. So with having a problem, as you know that lawyers, big business person and merchants and court officers were educated from the third estate. So they started to give the new idea to the third estate people that the time came to be united against the Louis 16 and we have also not to pay the taxes to the Louis 16. Next point, society should rest on freedom, equality in law and opportunity. Means the people of the third estate started paying the Louis 16 or to the first and second estate people that society should rest on freedom. And in society, freedom should be to all. Not only for the first or second estate, but for all first, second, third estate. Equality law is there. In one law is different from the first estate and second estate, and one law is different from the third estate. It should not be like this. And opportunity. Opportunity means all kinds of opportunity should be available in the society. Means we saw here to there was inequality at the time of Louis 16. Only third people have to pay the taxes, and first estate and second estate having a freedom by themselves. Now imagine we are living in a country like India in the 21st century. What will the Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, rich, poor, educated or uneducated? We see that law is equal for all people. Constitution is equal for all people. So this is the behavior of the government. Means government should give a proper equality. If the equality is not distributed equally in the society, then chances are there that people can have a burden. The war should be there, or war can be occurred, or different atmospheres can be created. Next point, power should be divided within the government. Now slowly this prosperous educated people of third estate started saying to Louis 16 that there should be no marching of arms, there should be the legislature, there should be executive and there should be judiciary, like in India we are having. We know that India is having a parliament system where legislature, Lok Sabha, executive, we saw political executive, permanent executive are available. And again, there is a judiciary for whole country. Means power is not in one hand in India. The power is divided among legislature, executive and judiciary. So, like a democratic system, people wanted to start thinking. People started thinking that there should be a democratic atmosphere in a France. Actually, we saw the atmosphere in a France was monarchical. राजा का पावर था, राजा जो चाहता था वही होता था. राजा चाहता था कि first और second estate by the birth they should not pay the taxes and only third estate people have to pay the taxes. Inequality was there. So whenever in a society there is an inequality, or whenever in a society there is improper management, then problems are always happening with each other. So this was all about the topic, growing middle class demanding to aid the privileged. I hope you understood this topic. Understood? Okay. Now we are going to our next topic, and Very important topic of today's lecture. Second topic we are going to understand, and that is outbreak of the revolution. Main important topic. Now the real revolution is going to start. The quarrel among the people of France and Louis XVI, and the first state and second state that we are going to understand. Our next topic, that is outbreak of the revolution. Outbreak of the revolution means now the real situation started. The quarrel between Louis XVI and the people. How the outbreak of the revolution, how the anger of the people came out in France. How we can understand now the people become too much angry. So we will discuss some points. Then one by one we will discuss. First, we will understand Louis XVI was unable to increase tax in France. Second, he has to call a state general meeting to discuss tax proposal. Next point we will understand. First and second stage demanded voting should be on the basis of one state, one vote. Next point. Third state demanded voting should be on the basis of one member, one vote. First, we will write down the points, then one by one I will discuss with you. Don't worry. Demand of third state non-accepted. So becoming angry, they walk out from the meeting. Next point. Third stage, all members gathered in a indoor tennis hall of Versailles. Now, our topic is outbreak of the revolution. Means how the anger among the third people came in France and how the revolution started in a real way. First thing is that Louis XVI was ushered to stand in France. As you know, first we saw that because of the program of loss of Louis XVI with neighboring countries king or improper management or increasing population, the condition in France was not proper. Means Louis XVI was not having proper money to run the government. That's why now to run the country, France, Louis XVI wanted to increase the tax. Now see, already population was increasing in France, people were not getting a job, prices were becoming high, and the wages were not becoming high. So because of people were in a lower and poor condition in France, and in this situation now again the Louis XVI wanted to increase the tax. So because of this thinking, people again become angry against Louis XVI. So dear students, these are the points that will guide you why people become angry on Louis XVI. Because the state taken by Louis XVI is very dangerous. Now you can understand the current government steps taken by our central government or the different state government in problem of virus called as COVID-19. Now, you know that how the same situation occurred in India. Still, a central government properly handling the situation, and compared to the Western countries, the victim of this COVID-19 virus, less people are suffered in India compared to the Western countries. So this is because of the proper management of our central government. So we should fight for them. So as a head of the government, whether it will be the democracy like parliament, or whether it will be a dictatorship, or whether it will be a monarchical power, the head of the country should be perfect in his decision. Because dictator, monarchical power, or a president or a prime minister, they are collecting the taxes from the people, and if they will not use the proper services to the country, then people can become too much angry, because they can say we are paying the taxes and we are not getting the proper services. So people can have anger in them. So government should think this. Otherwise, the problem can come like France. Second, he has to call state general meeting to discuss tax proposal. Means in a France, a single jurisdiction was unable to increase the tax. For that, he has to call the meeting of first state, second state, and third state. So what happened now? First and second state demanded voting should on the basis of one state or one vote. First and second state demanded voting should on the basis of one state, one vote. Means the members of the first and second state को राजा को बता रहे थे कि वन स्टेट का वन ही वोट होगा, जहां पर थर्ड स्टेट डिमांडेड वोटिंग शुड बी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वन person one vote. Means the members of the third state were too much. That's why every member should get a voting right. This was only one meeting will be there. That's why this demand was not accepted by the first and second state. So what happened? Third state, then demand of third state not accepted, so becoming angry, they walked out from the meeting. So first state and second state not accepted the demand of third state. So the third member left the meeting, becoming too much angry on first state and second state, and all these 16 third member walk out from the meeting. वो मीटिंग से बाहर चले गए. Now see how the same situation is occurring in France. Then what happened? Third state all members gathered in an indoor tennis hall of Versailles Palace. Versailles का जो पैलेस था, एक इंडोर टेनिस हॉल था. वहाँ पर पूरे थर्ड इकट्ठा हुए. Now what happened? Now they started to have next planning. Means now becoming angry, third state people, they started to think now the time came that Louis XVI should remove his position, or the privileges which were given to the first and second state, it should be banned or it should be stopped, because now the third state people become too much angry. So this is the situation. More points to understand. Next one. These are some points which we discuss. Again, there are some points which will guide us how the situation becomes tense in a calm. So, see, students, what is the cause of every quarrel? हर जो झगड़ा होता है उसका cause क्या होता है? मीन्स दो ग्रुप जब आपस में they not match their thinking, तो एक का लॉस होता है, दूसरे का फायदा होता है. Next one you will understand. Now last one we will understand. Third stage people gathered in indoor tennis hall in our side. Then angry Louis XVI sent his troops to suppress the crowd of third state. Next one we will understand. Third state people started attack on residences of noble people and landlords. Next one we will understand. Next what happened? When now the situation is increasing pain in France, that we have to understand. Already last time we have done. Now we have the further point of that topic, outbreak of the revolution. This question can be asked for 5 marks. Why outbreak of the revolution? Or let us ignore some outbreak of the revolution. Or the question can be asked, what were the reasons of outbreak of revolution in France? So this is the situation that created an anger among the third state against Louis XVI. Next point. Severe cold, severe winter, bad habits, increasing prices, hoarding of granaries. By the shopkeeper. Made a poor situation in France. Next point. Now, Louis XVI started becoming saint. Next point. Third state founded National Assembly and made a constitution for France. Next point. Now, Louis XVI accepted that his power should be checked by the Constitution. Now next point we are going to understand. Henry Louis XVI signed his truce to suppress the crowd of tourists. Now we saw that 36 people walk out the meeting, they gathered in a indoor meeting hall and they started to think against Louis XVI. 36 people started attack on residences of noble people and landlords. Now, third people were that if we will not attack on first and second thing, that injustice will be going to continue by first and second thing. So, attack acquired started among them. Serious winter, bad habits, increasing prices, or holding of granaries by the shopkeepers made a worse situation in France. Now, it was what happening? Serious winter. In those times, a winter was too much cool. That's why the crops fell down. Bad habits, there was less production of serious winter from the farming. Increasing prices. We saw that prices were increasing and the wages were not. That's why workers were unable to purchase their bread and butter. Holding some granaries by the shopkeeper. Some rich people or shopkeepers started holding the granaries from the shop, and there was too much long queue for purchasing the granaries from the shop. Workers were not getting the granaries from the shop. This was the condition of France. Now imagine, if we want something from the shop and we will not get, then how we will blame on our government? We become too much angry. See the condition in France. Now, Louis XVI started becoming famous. So, by observing this situation, now Louis XVI started to frighten, and he had to frighten because he was lazy, he was not having proper management, and he was not taking care of people. Only he collected the taxes, and as he collected taxes, he was not giving in turn a proper services to the people of France. Third state founded National Assembly and made up constitutions for France. Now third people made up a National Assembly. Some leaders made a group for National Assembly and then made a constitution for France. और उन्होंने फ्रांस में राज्य गणना लिखी and they took the oath, उन्होंने शपथ लिया कि now according to this National Assembly and according to this written constitution we will run the France. Now third they decided that they will not listen to the Louis XVI. They will not work according to Louis XVI. Why? Because we saw Louis XVI was giving freedom to the fourth and second state and not freedom to the third state. Therefore, there was anger among the minds of the third state. Next point. Now Louis XVI accepted that his power should be checked by the constitution. Now here Louis XVI started to fight because he thought that now the National Assembly is made and the constitution is made by the people of the state. Now I have to leave the country because he was threatening. There was too much talk against the Louis XVI. In this way, the situation created in the France. Now, dear students, these are the reasons that is why how the outbreak of the revolution occurred in France. Means when there is a quarrel between two persons, so reasons are too much. That's why to stop the quarrel, to solve the dispute, we should think properly. Sometimes we should take care of other thinking also. Because all of will think ourselves only, then quarrels can be started again and again. So this was also the topic, outbreak of the revolution. Now the last topic of today's lecture that we are going to understand, and that is this is the last topic of today's lecture. France becomes constitutional monarchy. Now very important topic, you will understand that is France becomes constitutional monarchy. It's not in a France, king will be there, but again constitutions will also there. Means king has to do the work according to the guideline of constitution. So this happened because we saw the outbreak of the revolution. Various reasons are occurred in the France against Louis XVI. The gathering of the third people like lawyers, court officials, businessmen, merchants, and servants and landlord labor. All started coming united against Louis XVI, and that is why we saw that Louis XVI accepted that his power should be shaped by the constitution. Now he became ready that I am ready to do the work according to the constitution. Now in this what happened that we will see. Power is divided among legislature, executive, and judiciary. Next point, all people of France, all people of France didn't have voting rights. Next point, state should be totally citizen right. Now, our topic is France becomes the constitution monarchy, and Louis XVI becomes ready to surrender with third state. So some discussions happen among where power is divided among legislature, executive, and judiciary. Now it is decided that power will be divided in legislature, like in India, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is there. Then executive, we know executive, political executive who will make the law, and permanent executive who will give the guidelines for making the law to the political executive, and judiciary. You know that in India judiciary for India Supreme Court, for every state High Court, every district court, and every taluka court. So in this way, the power is divided among legislature, executive, and judiciary. Earlier we saw that the power was only in the hands of Louis XVI, and only because of what was happening by the first and second district having the freedom not to pay the taxes. They had the right to collect the taxes from the people of Holy State. So this now started to stop in France. Second, all people of France did not have voting rights. In France that time, all people didn't take the right. Generally the people who were paying taxes to the government or having from the rich background, they were having voting rights, and common people were not having voting rights. In a real situation, rights are not given to all. Third, state should protect citizens' rights. According to this power, it is decided that the country's government will protect the rights given to the citizens. Means now here the equality will not be there. Means now all have to pay the taxes to the government. ऐसा नहीं कि first और second नहीं pay करेंगे और वो third pay करेंगे. So this was all about today's topic. So dear students, what we understand today? First topic we understood growing middle class demanding to end the privileges. Second we saw outbreak of the revolution in France. And third, today's topic we understood that France becomes a constitutional monarchy. Hope these 3 points are understood well by you. So remaining part of this chapter we will continue in next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.